Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
But they're doing a lot of construction right here. As you can see, these are also the back sides of restaurants too, so people will be working back in here. So we're gonna go all the way, continue going down. Then you also have this kind of beautiful architecture right there. That yellow building has some nice architecture. If they fix that up, they could make that into a tourist building really easily. Barca and Lenha Street. Barca is like a boat, some kind of specific boat. And this is not too far from, I'll show you right now. But Travessa de Cadeira is the cross street, and then this one is kind of this major street called Avenida Amira Ribera, which has all the black and white tiles. And it goes down to the Pont 16 down there. Got some hotels along the way. Parking shop, different spaces. So we're going to be walking parallel to this kind of main street right here, and that goes all the way down to if you walk straight down, it goes to casinos, Lisboa Casino, Grand Lisboa, MGM, stuff like that. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be in this little area and walking down this little alley right there, that one, parallel to this one. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's our parallel alley, so we're going to be walking down that way in a moment. And then it's going to be parallel to this main street right here. So this is kind of the busy street. You can see more foot traffic. And if you wanted to avoid all this foot traffic, all you have to do is just go over to this one right here, through what looks like an alley, but it's actually a throughway. It follows parallel. Okay. So let's go down. And now we're on our little alley. And as you can see, it's raining a lot today. And I'm gonna have to watch out so I don't step in too much water here. But they're doing a lot of construction right here, as you can see. And I think there used to be a tree right here. I think they took the tree down. Huh. Yeah, they're doing a lot of construction. Maybe the tree was the next block, I don't remember. So we're gonna continue down our alley. Used to be a tree, and I think that maybe that tree might have been here, and then they're putting on the scaffold, and they might have removed the tree and tried to restore the building. But there was a tree that drew all the way up. So if you, I'm gonna connect my past videos at the end, and then you can see that tree, unless it's still up here a little bit, which it could be. These are also the back sides of restaurants too, so people will be working back in here. Then you also have some street food as well. And then you got some all kinds of interesting stuff. So we're gonna go all the way, continue going down. By the way, this one goes down to Rua de Felicidade, which is a tourist street. So we're basically an in-between street between that main street right over there and then a tourist street. And this is called Barca y Lenha. Da Lenha. Little alley. Macau. Macau. It's interesting. Macau is another little alley in here too. Yeah, they must have removed that tree. But yeah, at the end of the video, I'll have some thumbnails of the past, of what streets look like in the past, the same street that I'm filming, because I've filmed these enough times now over the last 5 years, 5-6 years, that I will have filmed this one a few times already. There used to be a tree there, and that's gone now. I like to pause, but the rain is not good. There's a Filipino barber shop. I think this little Macau goes into these little alleys. This one's abandoned right here. And then there's trees that are growing into this one. And at the base of the other one, there was where I started, I was looking for that tree that has all that scaffolding. It was a tree much bigger than this one. Then that one goes out to, let me just kind of come back here. It's really raining, so we basically started all the way down that way. We're gonna keep on going down our Target Street a little bit more. And I believe our Target Street's gonna end in a little bit. Got a vegan restaurant. And I think this comes out to the end of our street. So you can see the street name right there. And we're going to come out here, try to give you a little context to where we are. That one is the main street that we started at with all the black and white tiles. And then this one goes to this Felicidade street. We're gonna run across the street real quick. So that was our Target Street. Right there. Then you also have this kind of beautiful architecture right there. That yellow building has some nice architecture. If they fix that up, they could make that into a tourist building really easily. Especially those balconies and... Okay, so that was our Target Street. And then just to give you some context of the two streets that were parallel to it. The one was the that main street with the black and white tiles, and then the other one is this one, which is Rua de Felicidade, which has all these homes, not homes, businesses. So this black and white tiles, let me see what this one is. I think that's a popular spot to get something. So this whole street right here, this green and white, is where sing-song girls used to entertain clients. Kind of like the Japanese geishas. And so we're just gonna walk up to the base, and then we're gonna end the video in a moment and try to give you a little conclusion for it as well. Okay. So this street right here is has a lot of Filipino businesses, so it's kind of known sometimes as the Filipino street. So this is Rua de Felicidade, which they're putting a lot of money into it for tourism. They made it into pedestrian only. And then our street would have been parallel with this one. And parallel with that main street that's down that way. So on that note, that was Lenha de Barca. And you got a little bit of context of what else Macau looks like a little bit as well. And it's raining quite a bit here, so I'm just going to go past the crowds a little bit, give you a little bit more sense of the streets, and then I'm going to end the video right here. It's all these kind of cool little alleys and cool stuff everywhere in Macau. Okay, so let's end it right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.